Hi Sunshines. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my 19-week bump date. I am 19 weeks and 6 days. I turn over a week every Friday. So today is Wednesday. So I will be 20 weeks on Friday. Yes. So today is my 19-week bump date, and let's see, how am I feeling? I feel great. I have a lot of heartburns. I'm still not able to eat like a whole full meal, but I'm able to eat, so that's good. In terms of weight gain, I haven't gained any weight with this pregnancy so far. I started at 220 and I am sitting at 218 right now, so I haven't gained any weight. So we shall see. We're only halfway there, so hopefully I don't gain all the weight at the end. But usually with my pregnancies, I never gain weight. I always lose weight or stay the same. I never gain weight in my pregnancy, so I'm hoping to be the same with this baby. I go back for my 20th week appointment on Tuesday, and we also get our 20-week anatomy scan on that date.
So yeah, that's it for pregnancy update. My stomach is still the same. Some days I am a lot smaller, some days it's a lot bigger, depending on whether I take in a lot of water or whether or not I eat a lot, or it all depends. It varies, so it never stays the same. Let's see, what else? So far I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good for 20 weeks. Movement wise, she is kicking, and I was able to feel her kick last night on the outside, but it's not nothing where, ooh, okay, baby's kicking, but I can feel her on the inside kicking. So she kicks a lot, and she's still down in my lower abdomen area. She still haven't moved up still, so she's still down there, and hopefully she comes up a lot because I have a lot of pressure. And I've been getting a lot of Braxton Hicks. I've been timing them and making sure that they're not, preterm labor. Even though if I was to go into preterm labor, if I was to go into preterm labor, there's nothing that my doctors or the hospital could do. They wouldn't even intervene. So my goal right now is to get her to at least 24 weeks, and I do get preterm labors with all of my children, and they have to be monitored and get steroids and stuff like that. With my twins, they were born at 29 weeks. Destiny was a 36 weeker, and Jaxson was a 37, almost 38 weeker. So I never go full term with any of my children. I always, even though I am scheduled C-section, I never make it to my scheduled C-section. It's always before. So and then Jaxson, I ended up in the NICU. He ended up in the NICU because when he was born, he wasn't breathing on his own. He was breathing on his own, but he was struggling. But he spent a week in the NICU, even though he was considered full term, but he was still, his lungs weren't fully developed. Destiny, even though she was a 36 weeker, she was very healthy. She stayed the night with me in the hospital. And the twins, they stayed in the hospital until around January-ish. So they were born in November, end of November, the 20th of November, and they stayed in the NICU until January, close to February, and beginning of February, end of January. So they were there for a while. So hopefully, praying that this little girl stays in, and we make it to a viable, term, which is 24 weeks. Because as I said, the doctors won't do anything prior to that. They won't intervene. So whatever happens, happens, and that's just it. Let's see. That's it. In terms of baby buys this week, I have started shopping a lot for her. I was contemplating on whether or not I wanted to do a separate video for that, but I'm just going to go ahead and combine the two. Even though it's not a lot of stuff, I'm just going to go ahead and combine the two so that it's not such a short video because I don't have a lot to update on. So I don't know if I want to show the belly and then the bye. So let's do the belly, get that over. Let's show the belly and then get the baby bye in. So bear with me. So I'm going to show you guys what I've got for her that I couldn't show you guys prior because then you would know the gender of the baby. So here I go. The first thing I got is this jujube beanie, and this is in the peekaboo. This is in the peekaboo print, and it just looks like that. It's really cute. The next item that I got her is this jujube fuel cell, and it's also in the peekaboo print. And it just looks like that. So next item that I got her is this Jujube Super B, and this is in the print. Can't remember the print of this bag, but I will link it down below once I figure out what the print is. But it looks like this, and this is a Super B. It's really. The next item that I got her is this this Posse Pod in Peekaboo. Next item that I got is this pack of bib. Okay, now you guys can see, sorry. So this pack of bibs that I got her. Oh man, it's not gonna come up for you guys. And it just has 4 bibs in here, so there's 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 bibs that I got her. And this was $11.99 on clearance. And then they had an additional 30% off. And all this stuff is from Carter's, the actual. The next item that I got her is this pack of, these are blankets or layettes. No, well, it says little layette. But it's a blanket. It's a little blanket. And this was $9.99. And also 30%. The next item is, there you go. Thank you for focusing. The next item is this burp cloth, and it's not focusing. There you go. It's this burp cloth, and it's 3 in the pack. So it has that blue one, the pink, and then the floral. And this was $7.99 with an additional 30% off. And I got her is this little onesie that says still sorry, still living at home. And this was $1.99. 3% what? And this one says my aunt is my BFF. So it just looks like, I don't know if I showed you guys these Inno Baby packing cubes for formulas. I got these. These were 3 packs. It was a 3-pack. So 2 came in the pack, but I just stack them. So now it's only a 2-pack. So, but I have the white bottom and top for sorry if I keep looking at the screen and not the lens, but I have the white bottom and the white top. So it's it's these little mittens. So it's so cute and adorable. So that's what I got her. So yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys for my 20-week bump date. Bye.